Hi guys and welcome back. Right, so today we're going to talk about Igbo culture, of course. We're going to have a look at cutting off hair. Now, what is cutting off hair? We're talking about not just any cutting off hair, but cutting the hair of a child, an infant, before they turn 1 year old or when they are 1 year. So this ritual basically is not just done in the Igbo culture. When I did some research, I found out that it's done in many cultures, like the Asian culture, the Indian, Chinese, basically, and some more. So they always have reasons behind these. Now let's have a look at the reasons. From what I read, I found out that some of these cultures do it as a ritual. Some do it as a way of the child stepping into age or coming into a new phase of life. While some do it, I think in our culture or the Yoruba, they do it as a way to ward off evil spirits. Now, they believe that when you shave off the hair of an infant, you're warding off the evil spirits, basically Mami water, which is a mermaid. In my culture, a mermaid is seen as something of pure evil. In some cultures, especially the Western, it's seen as just an animal or a mythical creature that lives in the sea that's to be, looked upon and enjoyed. I don't understand, but for me, and the way I've been brought up, you already know. If you're Nigerian, you already know. Water, mermaid spirit is something evil, something that can possess a child or an adult and make them do evil things in the world. Okay, so this is what is believed. I also read up that when these babies' hairs are cut off, they are weighed, and based on the weight, they are offered. And apparently, the parents, I believe, have to donate an amount of money. Yeah, this is what I read. I have not practiced it. We don't practice this. Okay, moving on. For the Igbo culture, we cut the baby's hair when they turn 1 year old. I, for one, don't practice this. I just had my baby. She's 8 months. She's not up to 1 year yet. I'm not going to do it. That's on the side. Some people do it and that's okay. That's fine. I'm not knocking you if you do it. It doesn't matter to me. I'm just saying what I do or what I would not do or what I will do. Okay. Now, coming down to me, will I do it? No. My baby's hair is growing perfectly, evenly. There's no need whatsoever to shave the hair off. It's also believed that when you shave the hair, you help it to grow back evenly. Now, I understand this one because if the baby's hair is, maybe high on this part and low on the back, or vice versa, it makes sense to shave the hair off or cut it, trim it, so that it will all grow evenly. That makes sense to me. If that's the case for my baby, I would look at shaving off the hair. Of course, I don't know how it's done or what people use to make sure the baby's scalp is safe because obviously it's softer than the adults. So that's what I have to say on that aspect of it. If your baby's hair is not growing evenly, for sure, if you're comfortable with it, go ahead. But at least wait till the baby becomes 1 year, because by 1 year the hair might grow evenly, or if not, then the hair will at least be stronger than the scalp, stronger than when the baby is like 2 months, 3 months, and so on and so forth. So this is what we believe in our culture. People do it for the boys, people do it for the girls. It doesn't matter which one. It's also believed that shaving off hair does not guarantee that it will grow back evenly. Because sometimes when you shave this hair off, the one that grows becomes stronger and harder to work with and still doesn't grow as fast as you would have expected or wanted. So if that's your reason for cutting off the baby's hair, then you need to know this point. But if it's just a different reason, then of course, do you just make sure that you're not harming your child because of beliefs and aged culture and customs that mean nothing in this new world. All right, guys, tell me what you think. Do you practice this in your culture? If you're Igbo, will you cut your baby's hair or not? Tell me your reasons. Let's have a discussion. All right, see you next time. Bye.